You know what it is. It's your boy, Ms. and Ms. Cool Cat County YouTube representing the birds. We have a little report from our boy, Derek Gunn. The Philadelphia Eagles at 12 will either get a DB or wide receiver, which means J.C. Horn, hopefully, Micah Parsons, maybe, Devontae Smith, or Jalen Waddle. And I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. Yes, I do. Which basically means this. If we get J.C. Horn or Devontae Smith, I'm telling you, it's over for the NFC East. I said it once, and I'll say it again. It'll be over. It will. We will be talking about J.C. Horn in another video, but I love it. I love it. Hopefully J.C. Horn's there, but I really want Devontae Smith and Jalen Waddle. Like I said, the chemistry that they have with Jalen Hurts. One of them can stand next to Travis Fulgham. Rhaegar can be in the slot. And our offense will be a problem for everybody. If we get J.C. Horn with Fletcher Cox and Brandon Graham and Josh Sweat and Derek Barnett and Eric Wilson and Alex Singleton and Darius Slay, the possibilities are endless, people! The possibilities are endless. J.C. Horn, Micah Parsons, Devontae Smith, Jalen Waddle. I mean, the first 4 picks will be quarterbacks. We know the Carolina Panthers, they got to protect Sam Darnold. We know that the Bengals, they need to protect Joe Burrow. The Lions and the Dolphins, they're going to need weapons, so Kyle Pitts and Jamar Chase. The Broncos got to move up to get a quarterback. The Cowboys, y'all better worry about your defense. You ain't getting... Listen, Cowboy fans, you're not getting Kyle Pitts. You're not getting... If y'all get Kyle Pitts or another wide receiver, I'm going to bust out laugh. Because y'all defense is terrible. Your defense is terrible. Giants, y'all got to protect Danny. Sit your $5 ass down before we make some change. And the Eagles will be drafting either J.C. Horn or Devontae Smith. Please. Sorry. The top 4 picks will be quarterback. The Bengals will be drafting an offensive lineman to protect Joe Burrow. Dolphins in Detroit, Kyle Pitts and Jamar Chase. Carolina, they got to protect Sam Darnold. Broncos might move up. Cowboys, you got to worry about your defense. Giants, you got to protect Danny. Sit your $5 ass down before we make exchange. And the Eagles will get either J.C. Horn or Devontae Smith. Because that's who I want. So, once again, I'm going to end this video like this. according to Derek Gunn, his sources say that at 12, the Philadelphia Eagles, who beat Tom Brady in the Super Bowl, is going to get either a DB or a wide receiver at 12. Someone's going to trade with Atlanta at 4. So, yeah. And we're going to talk about J.C. Horn in another video. We're probably going to talk about Micah Parsons. The draft is coming up, y'all. And your boy, Mizzy Miz Coop Cat Connor, with YouTube representing the Birds, will give you all the details.